Hi, this is Hamashifi. Welcome to my channel Technological World. So today I will tell you how to install XAMPP on Windows. First of all, go to google.com and just type XAMPP on it. So the first link you will get, I have already opened it, and from here you can download. I have already downloaded this setup. So after installing the XAMPP, you will find this icon here, and you will just open it, and you have to start from here Apache and MySQL so that you can have. So after starting that, go to your browser and just type localhost again. And here, yes, XAMPP has been installed. So you have also PHP also installed in it. You can here also check the PHP information. This is version 7.5, and by this way you can install XAMPP and PHP on your system and use it as a local system. So now to open database, you can just put here localhost, and you have to write PHP my admin. So database also, here you can just go and make new database, and you can run your projects. So thank you for watching my video. So if you like this video, please like my subscribe my channel and help my channel grow. Thank you.